Welcome to Pesto's Test Kitchen, where we're celebrating a holiday.
We are, Mike.
But not the typical Halloween holiday.
We're not,
Not yet anyways.
Not yet anyways.
Right.
You know, it's at the end of the month. It's a little bit past, it starts on our Halloween, but then it goes 2 days beyond.
It's called?
Dia de la Muerte.
No, it isn't. It's Dia de los Muertos.
I said it on purpose that way so you would correct me.
Yes! 3 years of Spanish. Tres años. Thank you, Senora Valley. I know I can do it.
So it means
Anyway,
Day of the Dead because they feel like you should celebrate life and not mourn it.
Right.
We're celebrating the life of our past loved ones that have went on to be beyond.
So we're doing a little Mexican twist on this holiday,
We are.
right?
We're going to do some adult treats. You know, my favorite region, and the next restaurant we're going to be doing is Oaxaca.
Yeah.
So we're going to be doing some Oaxacan tamales. We're going to be doing a little bit of a take on Mexican food and a little bit of American style. We're going to be doing Mexican corn dogs, but we're doing it with some great chorizo sausage.
Right.
And so we're going to make that batter for those corn dogs right now, and then we're going to show you what we do with them.
Okay, and then we'll save the tamales till later.
We'll eat them both at the same time.
Sounds good. All right.
Sounds
so
good.
we're making a batter for a corn dog.
For a corn dog. And it starts off, you know, classic when you're making a batter, wet, dry.
Yep.
So we're going to take the eggs, thank you, Mike, the milk, and we're going to mix that together. There we go.
Okay.
We're just going to mix that together. And we have equal parts of cornmeal and flour, and we're going to dump that in. And we just want this to be a nice, wet, almost like pancake batter consistency.
Okay.
Okay? And we have to season that. Cornmeal and all-purpose.
In the same bowl.
In the same bowl. Some baking powder.
Okay.
A pinch of salt. A pinch of pepper, because, you know, the batter doesn't season itself, so we have to do that.
All right.
And then we're basically done. You don't want to over whisk it.
Okay.
And now we're going to go on to make some corn dogs, Mexican style.
Okay, so that's the batter we're going to use.
That's the batter.
We didn't use a hot dog, though, did we?
We did not. We used chorizo, which is a spicy sausage. Okay, so we have the batter already here, and we're just going to take and dip that chorizo. We put it on a heavy-duty skewer.
And you didn't cook the sausage first.
No, it's already pre-cooked. It's smoked.
Yep.
So it's already pre-cooked. You want to lay the batter on top of the hot dog or chorizo, whatever you want to do, and then you want to have 350-degree hot oil. Okay, you want to let that drip down so it's all nice and even over everything. And you don't want to just set it down in your deep fryer, because if you just set it down, what's going to happen is that batter is going to stick to the bottom of the basket, and you're never going to get the corn dog off.
Ah, was that trial and error? Is that how you learned?
No, that's how I learned when I was 15 years old in my first kitchen, making beer batter fish for Jimmy Sheffo.
Oh,
so we're just going to dunk that in. Now we're finished with that.
Okay.
And then, Mike, you want to grab those corn dogs?
Yeah, these are the ones we did earlier, correct?
Those are the ones we did earlier. So, you know how we love elote.
We do.
We love elote. So we're going to kind of do this elote style.
It's when you make it real. It just takes something normal and make it super fancy, right?
Kind of super fancy.
Okay.
So we're going to take some crema. So it's like Mexican sour cream. All right, and we're going to put it over the top. Just like that. And then we're going to take some chili lime dust. Put that over there.
What that stuff was for.
Chili lime dust. It's your all-purpose seasoning. It makes everything taste better. You can get it at any of your local grocers now. We're going to put a little cotija cheese.
Which is their, like, mozzarella kind of, right?
Well, mozzarella, a little feta-esque. We're going to put some green onions or some scallions. And then I always like, for the crunch factor, because we have all these great textures, some papitas. Which are toasted pumpkin seeds.
I thought so.
You thought so. So that is the Mexican corn dog.
With elote.
With a kind of a elote preparation.
Style.
So we've also made today some tamales.
Right.
Classic Mexican food. We're going with a little bit of a Oaxacan style. So we have some rejas, which is like a cut. We have julienne poblanos, onions. My chef Jose made some mole, so we're gonna put some mole in it, and we also have some Oaxacan cheese.
Was I the only one that thought when you get it at a restaurant, you're supposed to eat the outside part?
Well, you did today, so it kind of confused me.
It is confusing.
You know,
That's
because
why
we go back to that old chain that we used to work for.
Yeah.
They didn't serve it in the husk.
They did?
No, they didn't.
No, it looked like it was deep fried. If I remember correctly. I don't know. It's been
So this is like a food of love thing. This is one of those things that's going to take some time to make. We start with a little bit of masa, which is corn flour. We have to take and soak the outside. You can use banana leaf. You can use these corn husks. They're easy to rehydrate. Cold water, warm water, just put them in there for about 15, 20 minutes, submerge them. Okay, and then we fire roasted some poblano peppers. We have some ancho chilies, and we have some onion. And that is the basis to these. And then we're going to steam them for about 20 to 25 minutes. And then we take them out, and you kind of peel them back, and you end up with this beautiful tamale, Mike. Just like that.
And then you just kind of eat right out of the shell.
You can eat it right out of the shell, put it on the plate. You can put some of this beautiful sauce, this salsa rojo, which I love, because it's got a lot of great flavor, so deep and rich. Chilies, garlic, a lot of sauces are based with just water.
There you go.
I like your style. I think that's
you.
great.
Now, there are two different kinds here. Explain the different kinds again.
The one has mole stuffed inside.
Yeah.
Mole is like the king of Oaxacan sauces.
Okay.
You know, it has like 27 to 30 different ingredients in it. Definitely a food to love thing. So you're just getting in there.
Well, aren't we supposed to be tasting?
Oh, we are tasting. So I was just going to put a little bit more cheese on it for you. And maybe a little scallion to make it look pretty for you. But get in there and taste that. Cerveza goes really great with these. Tequila goes really, really great with these.
Yeah.
You know, Melissa and I were on our honeymoon, and this lady that was one of the concierges was so nice, brought us a whole plate of tamales in a warm basket, poolside for us to eat. So they were great. So what do you think?
I think it's great.
I think they're fantastic.
Wonderful. And that, I
But
wish
Mike,
more food came on a stick, don't you?
food should come on a stick. It's easy.
I agree.
Kids love it. We're going to take that out of the fryer.
All right,
Go ahead, Mike.
Oh, that's legit. That is legit.
Oh my God.
Seriously. Melts in your mouth, doesn't it?
Now, is that fair food?
No. This is no fair I've ever been to. I'll tell you the truth.
I do need that beer now.
Fantastic. Yeah, we'll get some cervezas. All right, we're done on this one. When we come back, though, we're going to make
Amanda, our pastry chef, is going to make some really, really great treats.
ridiculous desserts.
We're going to make one of the oldest drinks in the world, Mexican hot chocolate.
Oh,
From the Mayans and the Aztecs, goes back to 500 BC.
That's perfect.
If we didn't have the Mayans and the Aztecs, we wouldn't have hot chocolate today.
Oh, God bless
It
you.
was the drink of the gods, of the kings.
Thank you, Pesto's Test Kit. Thank you.
I've never seen him, the whole time we've been together, get so excited about food. You
pretty good.
legitimately like that.
That was pretty good. We're back here in Pesto's Test Kitchen. We're celebrating Dia de los Muertos, which is Day of the Dead.
Day of the Dead, man.
Yeah, we're working on it. And so we did some tamales earlier.
We did.
2 different types. We did some Mexican elote style corn dogs.
With chorizo sausage,
Chorizo sausage. And
Yeah,
now
great
we're talking
stuff,
about
man.
dessert.
We are. Hi.
Amanda's here, pastry chef extraordinaire, and she's going to work on a couple of different things. You already got done with the apples, right?
I did, yeah. We did
What'd you
those.
do?
So we did.
Where do you even get apples that big?
Oh, Monarchs.
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah.
You
Okay.
go to Monarchs.
Yeah.
We need like apple
Our great
orchard
friends.
right now.
So
Absolutely.
there's 2 coatings on this, right?
Yeah. So we
Okay.
did a caramel coating first, and then let that dry, and then we did a white chocolate coating. So dip them in white chocolate,
Mm-hmm.
and then just do different colored chocolate piping to get the sugar skulls.
Yeah, I think
look like little
they're
skulls.
amazing.
Ew.
Isn't
They're
that cool?
amazing.
Yeah.
They really came out
Best dip.
fantastic.
All right, we have a little inside joke on the show.
We do.
I think it's silly, just me, to make something that's already been created, and created only costs a couple of bucks.
Yeah.
Like marshmallows. But Amanda and Mark say there's no substitute for making your own marshmallow, and it is delightful.
It is. I mean, we're not reinventing the wheel here. We're just trying to make it a little better, like jack it up just a little bit.
So you made it. How hard is it to make your own marshmallows?
It's not that hard. It's really not. As long as you have a good candy thermometer, 240 degrees, heat the sugar up to, and then as long as you're comfortable with gelatin, bloom your gelatin in water, mix the sugar, the warm sugar to it, and then just put it in your mixer, your KitchenAid, and just whip it until it's thick.
Whip it good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then just let it set.
Then there it is.
There it is.
This set for how long?
I did that overnight, so at least 6 hours. Overnight's best.
And the reason we did it was we were going to make some Mexican s'mores.
We are, yeah.
All right. I'm sure you made your own chocolate.
We did, yeah. We did a chili chocolate sauce, the warm dipping sauce.
Have this at the store too.
Okay.
No, that sounds really
Well,
good.
why would you make your own homemade s'mores and then buy chocolate
You're
syrup?
right. And you made the.
We made skull.
Little skull graham
graham
crackers.
crackers. Yep, yeah.
Was that hard to do?
Flour? No, it's real easy. It's simple.
All right. Want to put one together?
Yeah, let's do it. All
Okay.
right. So it's a little sticky, so you want to have water with it, and so you just kind of whatever shape you want to do. I mean, we could have done like,
Could have done skull shape. Could have done
We
any
could
shape.
have.
But these,
Absolutely.
I think square fits well in the.
Yeah, so put it there. Here's your stick.
Mm-hmm.
I like to just put a stick. That way you don't, burn your fingers while you're bruleeing.
And then we're going to
And then
brulee ourselves.
We're going to brulee it
You're a
ourselves.
right-handed bruleer, I see.
You can do whatever you want to do, but you just want to. Do you like your s'mores on fire, or do you like?
Now, how do you like your
I
marshmallows,
like a
Mike?
golden
How do you like
toasty.
it?
I like a golden
Okay, well,
toasty.
Like my mom, she likes them burnt.
Yeah, my mom too.
Yeah, straight up burnt.
I know what you're saying.
All right, so you
All
just
right.
do that.
Yeah.
Mark, you want to turn that off?
I would love to.
All right.
So
get that.
put that there.
Yeah. And then put that there.
And then you slide the stick
Want to like ooze it? Yeah.
And then, Mike, you take that and you put it in the dip.
All right. Take. Oh no.
No, just keep it
Why
away.
weren't you doing that?
Well,
All right, hold
all
that.
right.
Then you just dunk.
Yeah.
You dunk and
Dunk
go.
it.
All right, and I will. When we come back, we're gonna make. Mark's standing here because he's gonna make some Mexican hot chocolate,
Some
right?
real good Mexican hot chocolate. We're gonna make it both for the kids and for us adults.
All right, back in Pesto's test kitchen. After
Get in there,
this
Mike.
Break. This is going all over.
Oh, that's delicious. See, come on.
Oh, good.
That's what we like to see.
All right.
Got a little vampire thing going.
All right, we're back in Pesto's test kitchen. We did our s'mores.
What'd you think of those
S'more
s'mores?
cookies. They were really good, especially when
Thank
you
you.
dunk it in there.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Great chocolate.
Thank you.
A little bit of chili. Was it too much, or did you like it?
It was like a cinnamony
Yeah,
taste, I
cinnamon,
thought.
chili. Exactly.
Speaking of that, you're putting together.
Mexican hot chocolate.
Okay.
So you can do this a couple different ways. You can buy the Mexican hot chocolate. You can source that locally. You can go online, get it at your favorite big billionaire store online.
Okay.
They have it at a lot of local stores. Abuelita, that means grandma, as
Right.
you know. And it's already got the stuff in it. It's already got the cinnamon in it. It's already got
Oh.
the chocolate. All we had to do is add some milk to it, bring it to a boil, and now we're going to make it. Mike, do you like caramel?
I do.
So we have goat's milk caramel.
Okay.
And we're going to put that in your hot chocolate.
You hear that?
Yeah.
So
Okay.
goat's milk cajita, okay?
Cajita.
So we're gonna put a little bit of that in there.
You ever had-
Amanda, are you good with that?
Absolutely.
All right, 2 of that. Now, Mike,
Uh-huh.
do you want to go coffee liqueur or do you want to go tequila?
Ooh, I don't know. Are you doing the tequila?
I'm
I'll
doing-
do the coffee. You do the tequila.
Okay, Amanda,
The coffee.
the coffee. All right, 2 coffees. I love it. So you're gonna do that. I'm gonna take some of this beautiful hot chocolate, just like this, and we have one of Amanda's special marshmallows at the bottom of this.
Right. We stuck one in the bottom, and then we're gonna put that hot stuff on top.
And then look, it's floating for you, Mike.
All right.
I love
I'll
it.
put this
I
here
love
so
it.
Look at that.
Jeff can get a close up of it if you can.
That is
This will be
fantastic.
yours.
God, this smells great. Now, if you want to make this for your kids,
Got it.
just make it with the abuelita mix and you don't have to do anything else to it. I am going to, Melissa and I go to Mexico quite a bit. I got turned on to this Mexican liqueur. It's like Mexican Zambuca. It's a little anise liqueur called
Okay.
Extanambun, and I'm going to have a little bit of that while you enjoy this. And we're going to celebrate the dead on this Day of the Dead and wish them all the best in their spirit life.
Rest in peace, right?
Rest in peace. What a fantastic buffet.
This is awesome. Thank you for doing this, and thanks for coming
Amanda,
in.
Cheers.
amazing. The s'mores, the sugar skulls, the caramel apples, the Mexican chorizo corn dogs that we made like elote style, the tamales with the salsa rojo. It's a great celebration. One of my favorite holidays that I've become to love.
I love it.
I love it.
And
Cheers
happy
to everybody
Halloween.
out there. Happy Halloween.